Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change relationship status on Facebook. Get up firstly on your profile section, then go for edit profile and scroll down to take a look on these details sections. Go for edit on details, and when you scroll down here you're gonna find out relationship. If you want to change this status, just go and untick this section and then go on that edit button or a pencil side on your right side. Now here you're gonna find out a section which you can get up and change this status. You have many options right there. You can go for divorced, for example, married, or you can just go for in an open relationship, or it's complicated. I will go with married, and now you can add here your partner. You can tag it if you want. If you don't want, you can simply go right down for save, and then when you save that section, when you get back into that point, go save again. And here you're gonna find out that we have changed our relationship status on Facebook. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. If you have any questions, please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys, and have a nice day.